Affiliate Marketing Guide: Endless opportunities await you. In today's world, in order for modern businesses to survive, they must rely on other companies to help them acquire customers and traffic. This kind of business help is considered to be affiliate marketing. If you wish to use affiliate marketing to ensure the success of your business, then follow these tips. Do not be afraid to try different programs. If you don't like one, try another. Check out things like payment structures, what each program provides, and how you can benefit. There is also no need to just go with bigger networks. Try viewing your favorite vendors to see what they offer. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. When selecting an affiliate program, be very sure to read the fine print of your contract, and especially beware any exclusivity clauses. An exclusivity clause may dictate that you can only promote that company's products on your website. This can seriously impact your earnings if you plan to use multiple programs. As stated before, businesses need the help of other businesses to help them gain customers and site traffic. Businesses use this affiliate marketing as a more profitable alternative to self-promotion, which may not net as many gains. Using the tips in this video, you too can gain the benefits of affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.